because I'm washing my hands all the time, they're very dry, cracked, bleeding. I was wearing Band-Aids all of the time, and I really just couldn't do my job.
Well, about 2 years ago, I developed this, it almost looked like dry skin all around my mouth.
Got really itchy, flaky, scaly skin.
So I have very sensitive skin. Things irritate my skin constantly.
So we were really looking for something to not only give her relief, but something that would last. I was definitely surprised with the mother of all creams just because of our experiences with things before.
And I ordered it and put it on. Within 3 days, it started to go away. So after that, I was hooked. I was like, well, clearly, this is working.
The mother of all creams is a product I plan to keep using. I get nervous that I'm going to run out somehow. And I have recommended it to my friends and family, which is the strongest compliment I can give to a product.
I've told all of my patients who have similar problems, all my colleagues, I feel like I should buy stock in the product because I'm recommending it to everyone.